Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the class 6 standard. And here we have the lesson from gathering food to growing food, and the topic is about the earlier people, nomadic life and painting. What is the meaning of nomadic? Here we have the first question. Who are nomads? People who regularly move from one place to another place are called as nomads. In the sense, move here in the sense we can use another word that is about migrate. The people who are all migrating from one place to another place, maybe for their regular lifestyle or for their food or because of the temperature. For example, if we take about our country, as in summer season we have about huge temperature, we are moving to northern part. Many of the people are supposed to choose to move to the northern part. Why? Because the temperature comparing to the south is somewhat less in the north. That is the reason the people move. So in the sense, moving from one place to another place regularly are called as or are known as nomads. Coming to the second question, children. Why are people in present times are not leading a nomadic life? So why they are not leading a nomadic, in the sense not moving from one place to another place? Why? Because they have been habituated for their regular works. For example, if the person is been getting about good result in agriculture, they are supposed to stay there itself only and they are surviving from the long time. So government not given permission for Purdue agriculture. Government hasn't given any type of the permission for Purdue agriculture. Nomadic people not get proper food and water in those places. They are not able to get, in the sense, for example, a tribal or in a forest, they are not able to get about the resources. Why? Because the government is not giving the permission, then they are supposed to move from one place to another place. They understood the modern life, so they want to change their lifestyle. So as the government is not accepting for the movement of the people from one place to another place, so they have been habituated for the modern style and they are surviving with the modern style. Most of the people are educated. Comparing to the earlier times, nowadays, many of the people are educated. That is also another reason why the people are not moving from one place to another place, or why they are not leading nomadic life. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question. What would we understand about the earliest people paintings? Yes, the question is what we were understood by the earlier people paintings. Coming to the paintings, children, if we compare about the at present and earlier times, the people are supposed to carve the sculptures on the rocks and in the caves, like hunting and food and each and everything. The early people drew pictures of animals and hunting scenes on the walls of many caves and rock shelters. Different colored stones were ground and mixed with animal fat. In the sense, they are going to mix with animal fat and they are going to draw some images on the rocks and in the caves. Pictures were painted on rocks with bamboo brushes, and these had some religious importance for them. Why? Because nowadays, if we want to go from one place to another place, we people are using about the Google Maps where we will get about the directions. But earlier times, as they are not habituated or they don't have any type of the technological equipments, they are supposed to use only about the symbols, signs. In the sense, like if you go through about the stones, they are carving about the stones of the locality or the kingdom or the directions where supposed to move, where like Babylonians, etc. Clear, children? So that is the reason the paintings of earlier times are completely famous. Why? Because nowadays we are not using, and even though we are getting some more information, even though many of the maps also developed by the paintings which have been done by the early people on the rocks. I hope you understood the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.